hairstylist and salon owner, and a lot of my clients will ask me how to make their hair grow longer. This is a product by Kerastase. It's called the Initialiste, and this is essentially a serum for your scalp. You apply it down your part and one on each side, and then you massage it in for a minute or two, and that invigorates your follicles and gets the product down deep. And what this product does is it promotes more hair growth. So it's not going to bring hair back in case you have hair loss, but this is going to make your hair grow faster and longer. You can also put this on your ends if you want to protect them a little bit. This is the first thing you're going to put on after you get out of the shower, and it really pairs well with other things you might be doing to grow out your hair. I use it and I can definitely tell that my hair grows faster when I do. Let me know if you'd like me to review any other products for you, or if you have any questions about the Initialiste, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos.